What if I told you Psalm 9 can dissolve your enemies, heal your children, and reveal your destiny, all through an ancient spiritual technology hidden in plain sight? Stay with me, because Psalm 9 isn't just one more prayer, it's a divine weapon. Welcome back, seekers of ancient wisdom. Today we dive into Psalm 9, one of the most powerful and misunderstood psalms in the Bible. It's more than a cry for justice. It's a spiritual force capable of defeating evil, healing incurable illness, and even guiding you through your darkest confusion. Whether you're facing legal battles, poverty, or simply don't know which way to turn, Psalm 9 has an answer. And if you stay until the end, I'll reveal a sacred name of power that activates its deepest forces. Psalm 9 was written by King David as a song of triumph over enemies. But it's also an encoded blueprint for how to access God's intervention when all hope seems lost. It begins by saying, "I will praise you, Lord, with all my heart. I will tell of all your wonderful deeds." But beneath these words lies a deeper, esoteric path, one that can unlock healing, justice, clarity, and divine favor. Let's break down the mysteries of this ancient psalm. Here are the powers hidden in Psalm 9. 1. Destroying the power of enemies. Psalm 9 is like a sword forged in the heavens. Reciting it with focus and devotion can punish those who oppress you, dissolve their influence, and break cycles of persecution. It creates a spiritual wall of divine judgment that forces your enemies to retreat. How would you use it? Repeat the psalm slowly and aloud with the intention of divine justice. At the end, pray specifically for release from the persecution you face. 2. Healing male children when medicine fails. If you have a son or know a child suffering from illness, Psalm 9 becomes a sacred healing remedy. It's believed to restore health when doctors and medicine fall short. Following are the ancient practices of Psalm 9. Write Psalm 9 and the holy name Eheje Aischer Eheje on pure parchment. Hang it around the child's neck. Recite the psalm and a healing prayer over them with deep humility. Repeat daily until recovery begins. 3. Legal battles and court cases. If you're fighting injustice in court, Psalm 9 calls upon the divine judge to rule in your favor. It lifts you from human limits and places your case in divine hands. A pro tip for you: recite Psalm 9 7 times before your hearing, while visualizing the outcome you seek. Call upon Eheje Aischer Eheje, the holy name meaning, I am who will be. How Psalm 9 brings you divine guidance and clarity to your life and dreams. Are you lost? Don't know what steps to take next? Psalm 9 is said to bring divine revelation through dreams and signs, offering direction when your path is clouded. How to use Psalms 9? Before bed, pray Psalm 9 3 times, asking God to reveal your true vocation or solution to a problem. Sleep with intention and watch what is shown to you. 5. Reversing poverty and delay. Psalm 9 is a tool against spiritual poverty and stagnation. If your life feels blocked or everything is taking too long, this psalm helps accelerate divine timing and open doors that were sealed. Here are the ritual tips for you. Pray it daily at sunrise for 7 days. Speak out your desired breakthrough with faith and thank God in advance. 6. Spiritual healing and preparation. Psalm 9 is often read aloud before spiritual healing sessions. It sets the energetic tone, calling divine forces into the space to clear evil, pain, and negativity. Try this. Light a white candle, recite Psalm 9, and sit in silence afterward. Let the words of the psalm wash through your spirit like sacred rain. Certain lines in Psalm 9 are like spiritual weapons, charged with divine vibration. Speak these lines aloud with power. The Lord reigns forever. He has established his throne for judgment. Call on divine justice. He will judge the world in righteousness. He will govern the peoples with justice. Ask for righteous ruling in your situation. The Lord is a refuge for the oppressed, a stronghold in times of trouble. Anchor yourself in divine safety. The holy name tied to Psalm 9 is Eheje Aischer Eheje. It means, I am who will be. This name reflects divine continuity and power over time, invoking God's presence into your future, your case, and your healing. Repeat it softly 3 times after the psalm to activate its mystical force. Are you facing a challenge that needs divine justice or healing? Comment below with Psalm 9, guide me, so the power of this community can support you. And share this video with someone who needs spiritual protection or a miracle today. You never know whose life you might change. Psalm 9 is not just a song from the past. It's a living spiritual protocol. It defeats enemies, heals the sick, wins court battles, reveals your destiny, and protects your soul. But its true power lies in how you use it, with devotion, with focus, and with faith. So I ask you, will you let Psalm 9 fight your battles and heal your wounds? Or will you ignore the key you've just been given? If this awakens something in you, click subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss another spiritual breakthrough. More importantly, remember, you are never alone. With divine words, intention, and faith, you are unstoppable. Until next time, be mindful, keep shining, and be blessed.